All right, welcome to today's Tech Talk Tuesday. And for today's video, once again, we're working on the Neon and we're installing a catch can on it for your oil vapors from your PCV system. So if you're not aware, especially on turbo cars, it's a good idea to put a catch can on them, as the PCV valves tend to allow some oil blow by to go back into the intake because it runs from the valve cover to the intake manifold. And what the catch can does is it catches those oil vapors and keeps them in here so that way they don't go into your intake manifold and costing you horsepower. So I went ahead and got this one from Modern Performance. It's a great high quality unit. It's got adjustability in the top of the bracket. You can mount it any orientation you want, so that way you can put it anywhere in the engine compartment. And what I really like about the one from Modern Performance is the fact that it's got this external tube on the side. And what this does, it gives you an indicator of how full the catch can really is. So that way you get an idea of when you need to drain it. So let's go ahead and get this guy installed and see how it turns out. All right, so one important thing you got to do is determine where you're going to actually mount it. So there's a variety of places in here. We've got a nice big open area that we can go ahead and install the catch can at. And one of the most important things to do is make sure that the nipple fittings on the catch can are located below the elevation plane of the PCV valve on the valve cover. So for me, I went ahead and drilled a hole right here on the battery tray, and that's where I'm gonna go ahead and mount it. That way it gives me a nice easy visual for just quick check when I have the hood open to see if it's full or not, and it's just out of the way from most stuff. So I went ahead, drilled a hole in the battery tray, and then we'll go ahead and just held in with a single bolt and a nut. And so now we've got the catch can mounted, we can go ahead and get the hoses hooked up to it. It's got a nice drain on the bottom with a petcock. Just go ahead and flip the lever down and it opens, push it back up to close it. I may need to go ahead and twist my HKS blow-off valve so that way it's not blowing directly at the catch can, so that way it's blowing out of the way. So we'll go ahead and make that adjustment as well. So the hose kit, or the kit for the oil catch can, comes with these nice silicone hoses. They have two, a really long one and a short one. The long one's to go from the PCV valve to the catch can. Getting the stock PCV hose out of there is a bit of a challenge, so instead what I'm gonna do is disconnect the PCV valve hose from the intake and then connect the silicone hose directly to that and run it from here over to the catch can. So we'll trim these up, run them over, and then we'll be done deal. And that's all it takes really to install a catch can. All right, and so that's a wrap on getting the catch can installed on the SRT-4. As you can see, we got it cleaned up in there, all installed nice and tightly, and everything's all back together. So I hope you found this video useful and helpful. As always, if you did, go ahead and smash that like button, give us a thumbs up. And as always, you want to be kept up to date on all my future videos, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you of all my videos I do in the future. And I will see you the next video.